Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cultural programs abroad with Fidelity, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your investment goals. Research cultural programs abroad that align with those goals. Look for programs with a strong reputation and clear objectives. Consider the financial stability and track record of these programs. Explore different types of investments available through Fidelity. Create a Fidelity account if you don't already have one. Fund your account by linking it to your bank or transferring funds. Use Fidelity's research tools to analyze potential cultural programs. Evaluate the risk associated with each investment option. Identify any fees or expenses related to these investments. Review historical performance data for similar programs. Connect with a Fidelity advisor for personalized guidance. Allocate your budget, keeping a portion for unexpected expenses. Diversify your investments across different cultural programs. Monitor your investments regularly to assess performance. Stay informed about trends in cultural programs abroad. Reassess your investment goals periodically based on your findings. Be prepared to adjust your portfolio as necessary. Keep documentation of all your investments for tax purposes. Engage with the communities or organizations involved in your investments. Share your experiences to learn from fellow investors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.